Hi, if you want to change your lock screen password on iPhone 16e, then go in Phone Settings. Here scroll down to find Face ID and Passcode tab. And now you need to enter your current passcode. So do it. And after that, scroll a bit down again to see this option Change Passcode. Tap it. Again, enter your current one. And now enter your new one. Also, you can find passcode options and switch to 6-digit code or 4 or set custom and so on. Let's set 6-digit code and enter again all zeros. So here I'm gonna tap use anyway. And now you need to verify your new passcode by re-entering it. Wait a few seconds. And now it will be saved as your current passcode. So just give it a few moments to load. And yep, that's it. Let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone. And instead of 4-digit numeric code, I got 6 right now. And I can enter it. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.